Hi, this is Karol from VSHAPER. Welcome back to the channel. Today, in the next episode of Softshaper series, I will show you how to create a small batch production line of this funnel made of pig. Thanks to VSHAPER technology, what we'll need: our Softshaper, VSHAPER printer, and a cup of delicious coffee. Let's get started.
So I started Softshaper, and at the moment I don't have a proper technological profile created for the parts I will be making. I want to print on 500 Pro in single nozzle mode from natural pig and 0.4mm nozzle. I choose a post-processor for the right machine, which can be created from scratch for any machine using a manager. I will assign appropriate filaments, which are also available in the manager, where you can prepare your own filament technology from scratch. I'll also assign any filament for the second nozzle, but it won't be used during printing. So right now I'm ready to go with prepared technology. The first thing I will do is adding a model to the workspace. I will choose something like a funnel. Let's say I want 9 items, so I can fit all of them on the working bed. Check all of these models and go for Compose tab. In Advanced Composing section, the most important part is to set initial anchor and final alignment. So let's set from the top left corner to the bottom right corner. Right now I have nice and neat arrangement of our small production line. If you or your clients require high quality, set lower layer height in section General Technology, Quality, and set lower layer height. Some models may require higher cooling in some places due to their small layer area in a given places. So it is worth using dynamic cooling in those parts. General Technology, and enable dynamic cooling. Increase cooling small geometry and set appropriate small geometry area. For 100, let's say. Now I'm ready to update the slicing. After slicing is finished, Softshaper allows to see where higher fan speed is being applied. Now all I have to do is save the G-code and start printing.
This episode I've shown you how to use the functions used in small batch production and quality management. I hope you will use these features in your VSHAPER printer, and see you in the next episode. Subscribe our channel to get all news.